Hi and welcome back to So Blessed by Jess, and today is day 13 of our Vlogmas series. Having so much fun building these blocks with you and for you so we can see this wonderful quilt coming together. And today we are going to work on Broken Sugar Bowl. It's half square triangles, 4 patches. I'm on a 4-patch kind of roll lately for the last few blocks, but it's amazing and it's a simple block and it does give a dramatic look. So let's go to the cutting instructions, piece through our block and see what we come up with in the end. So today we're making the Broken Sugar Bowl quilt block. And for this block, we are going to need 2 4.5-inch dark squares in dark. We are going to need 2 of the background and a medium print, and these measure 4 7/8, or you can make them 5-inch blocks and then trim them down. We need 2 of the background for these are 2.5-inch squares, mediums 2.5-inch squares, and then I have 2 strips that are 2.5 by 11 inches in our dark and our background. We're going to sew these together to make 4 patches, and we're going to sew these together to make 4 half square triangles. So we'll line it up, we'll draw a line diagonal, we'll stitch on either side and create 4. These we're just going to make sets of, we're just going to sew 2 of them together like this. Don't make a 4 patch, just going to make 2 sets, and you'll see why in a moment. All right, so let's go ahead and put this block together. As I told you before, you have to sew these 2 together because we're going to make a 4 patch with the darker fabric. So we're going to make a 4 patch up here, followed by your half square triangle and a solid. And all of these should measure 4.5 inches when making them, okay? So then we have another one, another half square triangle, but make sure it's facing the opposite way. Now we have our 4 patch in the center, which has both darks and both background from our strip. Another half square triangle facing down. And we're going to take and make another 4 patch down here to look like the opposite corner. Half square triangle facing, and then a square, a blank, or a background fabric that looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to finish making these 4 patch units, and then it's a 9 patch. So we're just going to put it all together. And Broken Sugar Bowl is finished. Look at her. I really enjoyed the fact that I did a 2-tone look. I'm going to try to do more of these within the quilt now that I'm getting down to smaller pieces that can't make a full block with what I have going on. And I do need to use some more of my light colored fabrics. I'll have to do that in the next couple blocks. Yeah, super exciting. Like, this is wonderful. Just bringing joy. Absolutely. Today I am blessed and thankful for, the admin within my building that I work for. As you all, or some of you know, I am a 4th grade math and science teacher at a charter school here in North Carolina. And so that means we're departmentalized. So I just teach math and science. My co-partner teaches ELA and social studies, and we tag team together to take care of 44 fabulous little humans, and they are just amazing. But my admin I have worked in the public school system where admin is like you're under their thumb the whole time, and they're like a microscope and they're watching every little thing, and you have to post every single lesson plan that you do and all of your stations. And if you miss something or if you don't get to something, trust me, they will let you know. They will like, what's going on? So I knew I needed to get out of that. And I knew I needed to get the love of teaching back within me, because this is my encore career. Like, I was a restaurant manager for the first 17 years. And then, you know, that's not feasible having a family when you're working like 80 hours a week, running multi-million-dollar business. But anywho, enough said about that. It's in the past. But my admin are amazing. They really care for you. They try to help you out to the best of your abilities, and they just want you to do your job. They trust me that I'm doing my job and that I'm going to get the results needed, and the kids are going to have the knowledge going into the next grade level. So if anyone knows, I am a total math nerd, absolutely love it, and I don't stop with what they know. So once they conquer 4th grade, I was like, all right, let's go to 5th, 6th, 7th. I mean, I'm teaching 9th grade to one of my most fabulous kids because that's where he is in certain concepts, because that's where his brain is. It's just amazing. It's amazing. So absolutely love it. Thank you, admin, for giving me back the love and passion that I have for teaching these last couple years. So anywho, yeah. I'm happy about that. So enjoy your day. Thank you so much for watching my Vlogmas. Tomorrow is day 14. It drops at noon Eastern time. And yeah, I hope you have fun with it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.